So, dear students, today I will explain how to derive relation among various physical quantities. It is the second use of dimensional analysis. In the last topic, I had explained you how to check the accuracy of a given relation among various physical quantities. And today I am going to tell you how to derive the relation among various physical quantities. To explain this, let's have a problem. The problem is derive a relation for centripetal force. So we are supposed to derive the relation for centripetal force F that depends upon mass m, velocity v, and radius r of circular path. So you are supposed to find relation for centripetal force in terms of mass m, velocity v, and radius r. So first of all, let us suppose that centripetal force is directly proportional to mass. This is the first physical quantity. Directly proportional to velocity, that is the second, and radius is the third physical quantity on which this centripetal force that depends as per the question. What are A, B, and C? These are the dimensions of mass, velocity, and radius. These are the dimensions that we have taken. We don't know what are the dimensions. So I have supposed that A is the dimensions of mass, B is the dimensions of velocity, and C is the dimensions of radius. Now combining these three, F is directly proportional to mass power A, velocity power B, and radius power C. When sign of proportionality is removed, constant of proportionality K is there. So this will become your first equation. Now let us substitute the dimensional formulas. Dimensional formula of force is mLT minus 2. This is mass, dimensions A. For velocity, dimensional formula is LT minus 1 per B. For radius is a length, so dimensions C. Now collecting the dimensions for mass, par is A, for length, here par is B and here par is C. So total par of length is B plus C. For time it is minus 1 into V, that is minus B. So now comparing the dimensions for mass, here on the left hand side dimension is 1, here dimension is A. So A is 1. So far as dimensions of B is concerned, here it is B plus C, here it is 1. So B plus C is 1. For time, dimensions is minus B, here dimension is minus 2. So minus B is equal to minus 2. Cancelling the sign, B is 2. Now substituting this B is 2 in this equation, for B it is 2, C as it is, 1 as it is. So from here C will become 1 minus 2, so C is minus 1. So now I had A is 1, B is 2, C is minus 1. So substituting these values of A, B and C in equation 1, so equation 1 becomes F K, constant of proportionality, M power A, V power 2 and R power minus 1. So as negative power of R is there, so to make it positive, bring it to the denominator. So your relation is F is equal to K M V square by R. So this is the required relation for centripetal force. Now to solve this type of problems, assignment is enclosed. Thank you students.